Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best vacuum cleaners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have ORFELD Vacuum Cleaner. The Ultra-Rain brush can work on hard floors, short ceilings, tiles and marble. The floor brush does not need to be replaced often. The Cordless vacuum cleaner is equipped with 6 bright LED spotlights that help you to clean dark corners and crevices so that the dust is clearly visible. It can operate in high power consumption mode for 25 minutes. The low power consumption can last for 40 minutes without frequent charging and long waiting. You only have to charge once to clean a 100 square meter home. The uniquely designed hexagonal dust cup prevents the dust from flying around while cleaning the dust and causing secondary pollution. It is recommended to clean the dust cup and filter regularly in order to maintain the vacuum cleaner's performance. At number 6 we have Kenmore Vacuum Cleaner. Remove pet hair, dirt and more with this multi-floor multi-surface designed vacuum for use in your home, den or kitchen with a wide sweeper path. Enhanced HEPA filter system traps 99.7% of dirt, trapping dirt inside the vacuum, reducing pollutants in the room. Also, the suction control provides optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency for any surface. That allows you to change the vacuum cleaner suction for different fabric and carpet weight. At number 5 we have EUREKA Vacuum Cleaner. EUREKA knows you value a clean and healthy home. EUREKA NEC 101 lightweight cordless stick vacuum cleans up your everyday messes and does not break your budget. It has super easy to operate washable filter crevice tool and a wall mount. This cordless vacuum cleaner won't disappoint. This cordless stick vacuum is incredibly versatile and can be used as a stick vacuum, a hand vacuum for above floor cleaning and cleaning the car. Or attach the hand vacuum directly to the floor nozzle to easily clean stairs. The lightweight cordless design makes it easy to use and great for everyday cleaning. Also, assembly is a breeze and the convenient wall mount makes storage simple and organized. At number 4 we have ORFELD Vacuum Cleaner. The household vacuum cleaners provide outstanding 30-minute fade-free runtime for uninterrupted carpet vacuum cleaning. The pet hair vacuum includes wall bracket which helps you mount the lightweight vacuum cleaner on the wall or store the hardwood floor vacuum in a closet to maximize space. The wide-angle swivel head and cordless design allow the cordless handheld vacuum to change direction effortlessly and makes vacuum dust cleaner easy. It comes with its brush lights illuminating every dark corner and helping track any dust or hair. The Hardwood vacuum cleaner has high performance on hardwood floors, bed, bookshelf furniture and all the hard-to-reach places and ensures a quiet working environment. At number 3 we have Pretty Vacuum Cleaner. PrettyCare cordless vacuum cleaner motor produces a strong suction power of up 20,000 pascals at max mode, which is best for debris and deeply embedded dirt such as cat litter, dog food crumbs, pet hair and so on your marble, tile and hardwood floor. The stick vacuum cleaner only weighs 6 pounds, which making it effortless and convenient for use. It can be placed on the wall with wall mount and charge at the same time, light and convenient. With extension tube and flexible rotating joint you could easily clean under sofa or bed. PrettyCare W100 vacuum cleaner cordless is lightweight and durable. The filter components HEPA of stick vacuum cleaner can be washed with water and reused with less loss. At number 2 we have Simplicity Vacuum Cleaner. This electric broom vacuum maintains powerful suction on low or high speed. The filters through multiple stages of filtration including a certified HEPA filter. The HEPA media filters 99.97% of dirt, pollen and dander and other small particles 0.3 microns or larger. Also, the easily empty dirt build-up in your bagless vac dust bin with just the press of a button. At number 1 we have ORFELD Vacuum Cleaner. The two powerful 2200 mAh top lithium-ion batteries provide up to 70 minutes fade-free runtime in the standard model suction. Also in max mode provides 30 minutes for all-around home cleaning. Meanwhile, advanced fast charging technology will ensure the vacuum can full charge in 4.5 hours, and one charge is equivalent to twice the runtime time of other cordless vacuums. The A200 Pro cordless vacuum equipped with latest 280 watts brushless motor generates a high-speed airflow to provide up to 25,000 PA crazy suction in max mode, lifts embedded dust with ease. That delivers a perfect low-pile carpet cleaning performance and ideal for deep thorough cleaning large particles, breadcrumbs, pet hair etc. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best vacuum cleaners for your need.